Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Ielts Winner. Hope you all are doing fine and staying safe. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, click on that bell icon and share with all so that everyone can be utilizing this channel to enhance their Ielts band score. So today I am going to show you a happy change that is anticipated in 2022 of Ielts exam. It's a good news actually for many students and even people who are working and don't find time to go to center and write their exams. So this is the biggest news, the happy news for all the IELTS student, that is test takers can now take exam from their home and it will be officially announced in early 2022. So maybe in January end or February there is a chance that this announcement will come out, and it will be very helpful for people who are working or who are studying, because you don't have to walk go to test centers, waste your time in booking and traveling. You can just take your exam from the comfort of your home, so there will be no tension or hassle of traveling and booking the slot. So you can take all the four modules on the laptop from the comfort of your wherever place you are. So writing, listening, reading as well as speaking will be taken online only. As we all know, during the corona pandemic, many places IELTS indicator came where it was accepted for you to take test from home. So that was not for all and it was available only in few places, but now IDP or the Cambridge University, whoever takes the IELTS, they are going to announce it for everyone. So it's a very happy news. Just like pen, paper and computer based, you will now have the option to take IELTS exam on your house or from wherever you want to take. So it's a very good news, I think, because when we are comfortable at our place, we can take the exam easily and we don't have to worry about traveling to faraway places to write exams. So we need to see our leave slots and all those extra benefits. There are many news circulating on different social media platforms that I came across, that if you take an exam and if you don't get your desired band, you can rewrite, but you have to rewrite only in that particular subject which you have not received your desired band, or there will be no cue card in speaking and all such nonsense. Okay, so I would tell you, please do not believe anything that is being circulated on social media about the 22 changes in IELTS format. There is no official announcement from the test takers about the format changes. Okay, so do not believe anything and be happy or sad or get confused. The only announcement that is made officially is that there is going to be an addition of IELTS from home based. Okay, so you will have paper based, you will have computer based, and you will have a option to take it from your home. This is the only official announcement from the IDP center. Nothing else that is circulating on social media is true, so don't follow that, don't confuse yourself. And our one more announcement is that we are starting our new batch from December 1st from 5 to 7. All four modules every day from Monday to Thursday will be taken for both academic and general. So if you want to enroll in that batch, do contact us for enrolling, because we have limited slots. So if any update on the format or anything comes up, we will update you on our channel. So do keep subscribing and watching our channels and share so that everyone can benefit. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.